It's time to cook breakfast in Sicily in my own kitchen. So I'm going to bring you along and start with the Italian sausage, fresh from the chicken and meat place. I got to practice my Italian with him. And extra virgin olive oil made in Italy. There's no other better kind, so get that. So you can use olive oil or butter, but I just got some fresh butter, so I'm going to use some of that for my eggs. This is the spicy sausage, but you can get more bland if you like. So there you go. Oh, put a little too much in. Oh well, I can fry up the bread. Now, all the bread that you get here is going to be fresh made. I got this at a new place, and I'm going to fry it up for breakfast with eggs and sausage. And let me tell you, everybody does bread a little bit differently. And if you're concerned about getting fat, just put on black and you'll be fine. So I'm frying up my bread and sausage. Sausage is fresh here, so it's going to cook a lot faster. Here we go. I'm going to put a little more oil. Uh-oh, I hope the alarm doesn't go off. Oh my God. Yes, you have to taste test along the way. You have to make sure. Yum. Little salt and pepper. And voila. I've got a hearty breakfast. So, it's going to keep me going for a long time. Okay, here we go. These eggs came from the chicken farmer, so we know they're fresh. And first bite. Mamma mia. Yum. Bellissimo.